update tonight on a lawsuit alleging mistreatment of students at the Hyde School in Bath.
Lawyers are now arguing over errors made in some of the court filings and whether those errors change the merits of the case. The attorneys who represent Hyde say the attorney for the lead plaintiff, Jessica Fuller, misquoted laws and cited cases that don't exist. They asked the court not to overlook the mistakes and said they reveal a, quote, lack of appreciation for the standard of practice in the District of Maine, end quote. Well, Fuller's lawyer responded by correcting the mistakes and calling them procedural errors, which do not speak to the merits of the case. She says, regardless, if the allegations Jessica Fuller is making are true, they constitute a human trafficking offense under Maine law. Before the case filing, we spoke to Fuller directly, who is one of more than a dozen students we've heard from that allege the school's program is based on forced labor and exploitation. We've also spoken to several students since the case was filed who came forward to defend the school.
I have a huge respect for it. It really turned me into a hard worker. It's no secret that it's a very controversial school and program. That's no secret at all.
They would make you run in the morning until you threw up. They are screaming at you, they're yelling at you, they're in your face. I was getting exhausted and lightheaded, and they just would not let me stop.
Now, after the errors in the filing were discovered, the local lawyer brought on to sponsor Fuller's lawyer, who is based in Massachusetts, dropped out of the case. Fuller's attorney says they'll be looking now for a new local counsel, but they do not expect these developments to affect the court's decisions on whether the case can move forward or be granted class action status. No word just yet on when those decisions will come down.